Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to refurbish the headlight, how to restore the headlight, and I use special method to do them nice and clean. So first of all, you need to use a sanding machine. You can buy this rotary sanding machine, orbital sanding machine, and I use sandpaper. You can buy the cheapest one at the Harbor Freight. I begin with the 300 and then switch to the 400, and I'm gonna show you now. Wait a second. So I have a lot of sanding papers. This is very important, and I begin with the 300. Why don't I use why I use this grid? Because you need to sand the clear coat on the headlight. The original OEM after 20 or years became yellow. It's not clear, it's not white, and the headlights look a little bit yellow. So you need to sand the clear coat on original OEM clear coat on your headlight. Then you can use 400. You can use 400, then switch 600, then 800, 1000, and you can finish with the 1500. And after you sanded it down, you can you have two opportunity: use clear coat to make them clear again, or use special chemicals to refurbish them. I use special Chinese tool, and I'm gonna show you in this video how to use it. You can buy on Amazon or on eBay, on um, AliExpress. You can buy this special tool and special liquid inside. You put the liquid inside, and I'm going to show you how to restore it. It's the cheapest and the easiest way, because to apply the clear coat you have to buy a very good clear coat. And another thing, if you apply too much and if you don't have experience to applying the clear coat, you will have problem with it. And this is the safest way. I personally use this method because um, I don't have time to dry the headlights. I need to sand them and finish in 1 hour. So I'm gonna continue with this stuff. And this is special chemicals. It has blue color. You have to pour probably, yeah, almost half of this cup, and after that you need to put this cup on and use the electricity. The This cup goes with the 12 adapter power. So, and then you have to wait about 10 minutes until it warm up. After it warm up, I will move it and clear the headlight. Okay, good. After about 5-10 minutes, you can begin your work. You have to move left and right very slowly, and as you can see, you can begin just slowly because it's still warming up, and just move slowly, and after it will very hot. After the liquid will very hot, it will work much quicker. have to wait a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna continue. The liquid is warmer now a little bit. I don't have enough liquid, I need to buy more, and usually it works two times quicker. Right now I don't have enough liquid, so it is a little bit slowly. But it's working, it's still working. And today is a little bit windy, so it's also not very good for this job. Yeah, a little bit windy today, so it doesn't good. It's not good. And usually it works much better. Yeah, it should work like this. But because I don't have, when I move to this angle, I don't have enough liquid, so to wait a little bit. Have to wait. Yeah, I need to buy more liquid. It should work like this, very quickly. Yeah. You can do like this. If you don't have enough liquid. Look at this, guys. It looks much better than before. It was horrible before sanding, especially before sanding, and after that I refurbish it. Of course, the best way is to apply the clear coat, but if you want, like, I'm selling them, the headlights, and I don't have time to dry, and if I apply too much clear coat, it's also another problem. You need to sand it down again to polish them, and if you want quick, very good result, you can use these chemicals. Yeah, for this job also better to use the air uh, to blow the dust from the headlight while you sanding. Also, you need to buy some cleaning to clean your headlight and a lot of sandpaper like me. So it looks amazing now. The result is perfect.